Ever looked at your email stats and thought there's no way that those numbers are right, that many people opened this email or clicked a link? Yeah, we've been there too, and so have many of our clients. With all the phishing scams and different email campaigns that go out these days, a lot of larger companies, corporate clients have started incorporating email bots into their systems, into their IT. And these can throw your statistics way off because these bots are opening every email that comes through and clicking every link. It's great from a security standpoint, but it makes it almost impossible from a marketing standpoint to track what's really going on and get useful data. This is why we have built an email bot detection system, a way to filter out false positives easily and help reveal the truth in your numbers. Our system is built using GoHighLevel, or our version called Marketecs Engine, and it's running live inside of all of our client accounts currently. It's a very simple process of a landing page with no real value for humans, a white-on-white link embedded in emails that we send out, so that it's hidden and most humans would not think to click it. And then a very simple workflow set up to tag anyone that does land on that page. From there, what you do with that information can be customized to your business. You could exclude people from other workflows and promotions. You could take them out of pipelines. You could simply just let the tag live in your system so that as you're looking through your data, you understand that those people, it may not be 100% accurate. All right, so now that I've explained the problem, explained the solution, let's dive in and take a little look at how to actually build it. Here we are inside of GoHighLevel, or better yet, our version, Marketecs Engine, and we're in a demo account, but I have all the components here to show you how to build this system or this process out. So the first thing we're going to do is build that simple web page I mentioned. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Sites. And then up at the top, normally your start on funnels, you're going to go to websites. I happen to know exactly where this page is. If you were looking to start something new, you could start a new website and then add a page. I already have one here in my business coaching website. If we scroll down, you will see I have this email bot detection page. If you do not already have this, you simply click add a page, and then it's going to open up your page builder. And you will see here that my page is very basic, and it's almost meant to be a bit of a joke because you're assuming that no real human is going to land on this page. If they do, you want it to be clear that, hey, you found this link, we've identified you as a bot. Please let us know if this is wrong. So this is the page that we are using. And you can see, like, I have a URL here, and the URL is /bot detection. And this page does not go anywhere else that's found on our website. But this is the URL that I'm going to use, and I'm going to copy that link for use in just a minute. So you have this page built. You can put whatever you want on it. Really, the important thing is getting the link and remembering where the page is built so that we can use those pieces in the next part of the system. So you build a very simple page. Now, after your page is built, in this case, I'm going to recommend you go and build your automation next. So on the left-hand side, again, we go to automation in GoHighLevel. And again, I already have this pre-built, and these systems come pre-built for anyone that does use Marketecs Engine. So if you are watching this and you're an engine user, then just look for the same things that I'm mentioning here. You'll find an email bot detection workflow. And if you can't find it, you can always just do a little search for the word bot, and you should be able to find it that way. I'm interrupting this video to make sure that there is no confusion about GoHighLevel or about how to work with me. If you want to try GoHighLevel but don't want to waste months trying to figure it out, I have two very clear options for you to consider. If you're looking to build an agency or a SaaS business, head over to marketecs.com/GoHighLevel. By using our affiliate link, which costs you nothing, you will get the following bonuses. Our Marketecs Engine Core Snapshot. This is all of the features that we install in every new Marketecs Engine user account, and we're giving it to you for free as an affiliate. Our onboarding guides and access to our private community, an invitation to join our weekly live office hours, where I personally will answer questions and even share tips that I've learned throughout the week. And I'm constantly learning. There is so many new features and things to learn in this industry as a whole, not to mention within the GoHighLevel platform. Plus, we'll give you our additional templates, checklists, and migration guide. That's option number one. Option two is if you are a business owner just looking to improve your own tech stack and you don't want to do it alone. You would like a trusted strategic partner in your corner that speaks the language, brings you time-tested automations, proven strategies, and up-to-date learning. Then go to marketexengine.com and book a consultation with me to learn more about our high-level agency, Marketecs Engine, and joining our ecosystem. I'm also currently offering discounts on one-on-one consulting to any of our affiliates and high-level users. So whether you're building an agency or building a business, pick your path and let's drive results. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming. So when I open up the email bot detection workflow, you are going to notice it's really simple. And it actually, you could even take off this final step. It really could just be 2 steps. The trigger is that a certain web page is visited. It's a web page, and I named this email bot detection link clicked. And it's on a website that is business coaching. So again, you have to remember where you built this page. And the page is email bot detection. That's my trigger. When somebody lands on that page, they get the email bot suspected tag. And you can call this tag whatever you want as long as you remember what the tag is so that you can use it later on in other automations to filter people out. Or so that when you're looking at your pipeline, you can go, oh, there's 5 people in my hot leads list, but 2 of them have the email bot suspected. So I'm probably going to start with the other 3. This is where this comes into play. All right, so it's going to tag them. And then in this case, I have hold contacts for 5 days for review. If you have somebody actually monitoring this after every big email campaign is sent or something like that, this just allows them to come in here and see, okay, 3 more people got this tag. Let's take a look and make sure we believe that's accurate. Oh, do they all have the same type of email address? Are they from the same company? Is there anybody else in that company that I might want to add this tag to? It just gives you that opportunity to take a look at the list. That's our automation or our workflow on the back end. All right, we build a simple page, we build a very simple workflow, and then we get to the actual application of this process. When you're sending a new email, and I have an email template here that is a little bit of a mess because it was used for demonstration purposes, but that's okay. What we're going to do, and I'll actually delete this for now, you're going to drop in some text. And this text can say anything you want. So literally, bots click here, right? Now I'm going to add that link to that page we created on the back side. Now it's a URL. Now it's a link that they can click. Now, because I don't want real humans to see this, I only want the bots to see this. I am going to change the font color and make sure all of my colors are basically white. So now it is a white on white link that hopefully no human will see or even realize is there. But when a bot is going through this email and opening and clicking all the links, this link will also get clicked and triggered. Can save my changes there, go back out. And that is it. That is the system. That's the page, that's the automation, and that's how you add it to an email. Now, as far as how it actually gets incorporated to some of our other automations and how we actually utilize that information. One of the things is in our lead scoring. We have a whole nother video on lead scoring and how to set that up and then how to create automations and workflows around lead scoring. One of the things we personally choose to do is remove bots as well as anyone who clicks do not disturb or unsubscribe from our prospecting and sales pipelines. And this automation is simply one that does that. So if a contact has the email bot suspected tag, or if a contact has the D&D tag, and there's other ways to identify do not disturbs as well, they are simply removed from the pipeline, removed from the prospecting, removed from the sales pipeline. So that's an example of how to use that tagging in future workflows and automations, just to help keep things clean so that you're not being fooled by these email bots that are doing their job and they're doing a good job, but they're tricking your system into thinking that you have people that are highly interested. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. I hope that is easy to put into place and utilize just to help get you some better email marketing data. And again, these bots, they're not a bad thing. They're doing their job, which is a great thing. They're keeping people's inboxes clean and safe, but we don't want those clicks being counted against us. So until GoHighLevel comes up with a better way to filter out the bots, that's our solution for you. If this video was helpful, I hope you will like and comment below with how you're using it, if you have any other use cases or any other solutions for this. And I hope you'll also subscribe to the channel. Thanks.